a great choice today with the 2018 Audi A7. Emotion-packed design, sporty character, and innovative technology, Audi is targeting a new market segment with the A7. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power liftgate, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, fog lights, security system, rear window defroster, compass, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, heated front seats, panic alarm. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.